Welcome back to Alvinsa Studio, where we showcase the most creative and innovative homes from around the globe. Today we're excited to take you inside a truly unique project, a home crafted entirely from 6 shipping containers. This is more than just a house, it's a bold statement in sustainable living and architectural ingenuity. By repurposing 6 shipping containers, this home blends industrial charm with modern comforts, creating a space that's as eco-friendly as it is stylish. Nestled in the serene woods of Creola, Ohio, the Hemlocks Lodge stands as a testament to innovative design and an embrace of nature. This one-of-a-kind lodging experience, crafted from 6 40-foot shipping containers, offers guests a unique fusion of industrial charm and modern comfort. Constructed ingeniously using 6 40-foot shipping containers, 3 on the ground and 3 on the upper floor. The strategic placement of the upper containers slightly forward creates an elegant veranda on the lower level, and a balcony on the upper offering stunning views. A guest favorite with a high rating of 4.85, celebrated for its reliability and outstanding reviews. A closer look at the design and interiors. The kitchen area shines with modern appliances juxtaposed against the natural light that floods in through large windows, accentuating the sleek countertops and spacious island that doubles as a dining area. The wooden stools add a touch of warmth, creating a convivial space for cooking and socializing. The living room beckons with its plush leather sofa that invites relaxation. The mounted TV above a digital fireplace offers a cozy ambiance, while the surrounding windows frame the lush outdoors, seamlessly connecting you with the tranquil forest. The exterior of Hemlocks Lodge is a remarkable display of modern architecture meeting eco-friendly practices. The black facade of the containers provides a striking contrast to the verdant surroundings, while the wooden accents and spacious decks offer a warm welcome. The rooftop deck promises a unique in the canopy experience, perfect for meditation or stargazing. Hemlocks Lodge is more than just a place to stay. It's an immersive experience that allows guests to connect with nature while enjoying the comforts of a thoughtfully designed home. The use of shipping containers is a nod to sustainability, reducing the environmental impact and integrating the structure into the landscape with minimal disruption. Visitors to Hemlocks Lodge in Hocking Hills are treated to an escape from the bustle of everyday life. Whether it's a family seeking adventure, a group of friends gathering for a weekend getaway, or a couple looking for a romantic retreat, this property promises an unforgettable stay. Bedrooms. Each room is a cozy enclave with comfortable bedding, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of exploration. Bathrooms. Modern fixtures and clean lines define the bathrooms, offering convenience and comfort. Outdoor spaces. From the veranda to the rooftop deck, guests have plenty of options to enjoy the outdoors, whether it's sipping coffee at sunrise or enjoying a glass of wine under the stars. The Hemlocks Lodge is a sanctuary where design, comfort, and nature converge to create a memorable stay. Its thoughtful architecture and intimate connection with the surrounding forest make it a stellar choice for those looking to recharge and reconnect. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible home made from 6 shipping containers. We hope you've been inspired by the creativity and innovation that went into transforming these containers into a stunning, modern living space. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who appreciate unique architecture, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more tours of extraordinary homes and design ideas. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep building, and stay inspired. Right here on Alvinsa Studio.